Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. So retracement that we have discussed on the euro currency and the weekly research now stands on the way. Probably it will be even stronger than we have supposed. So market mostly has reached the level that we have predefined. And now we will continue watching what will happen. Since for us this is just a retracement. Yes, it could be a bit stronger, but major idea of this retracement is taking the chance for possible taking the short position, because market has uncompleted important target right below 104, and also overall fundamental situation around the euro currency stands not in favor of the euro. So sooner or later, but downward action should be continued, mostly due to the big difference in the economy, European Union right now and in the United States. But currently is very important time. So today is starting the Fed meeting. Will announce the rate decision tomorrow. So currently, as you can see, this retracement mostly is a preparation of the investors to the rate decision. And probably it's not the question whether the Fed will raise rates or not. It's most important thing is what Fed will say on the perspective of its policy. Whether this policy will be more hawkish, or it will be dovish, or it will be just stable, and the Fed will take the pause and rate hiking. So that will determine, so be driving factor for the further action. Because current retracement, guys, is mostly the profit taken before the major decision, because everybody knows that this event, this rate hiking, was priced in a long time ago in the current rates of the currencies. And this is the famous proverb that you should open position on the rumors and sell it and close it on the facts. So right now we see the closing on the facts, because rate will be raised, and investors just would like to fix the profit and wait what Fed will say on the perspective. That's why this retracement could last for today and tomorrow probably, and even could stand on the Fed meeting when the volatility will appear, when starting to comment rate decision and so on. That's what we see right now on the forex markets. That's why today, guys, we do not want to talk on the euro currency, because mostly we have said everything in the weekly research. But today, let's take a look at the Great British Pound, because we here are watching for this upward action. This upward action could become very important, since, as you remember, we have the very significant pattern on the weekly chart, and we need to get the pounds up. That will provide us opportunity for taking the short position, because we expect that the Great British Pound should drop further in the long-term perspective, and this upward action mostly we treat it as opportunity for taking short, not necessarily on the current week, but in general. Another reason why we will take a look at the Great British Pound is that it provides clearer patterns for the tactical trading. For just today's session, tomorrow's session is very short-term step. And that's also attractive. So what we have on the daily chart? On the daily chart, we see the trend is bullish. Market is forming some kind of the bullish patterns. I mean, bullish that they lead market to some higher targets. The first target, first pattern that we have is the A, B, C, bottom D pattern. Has destination point around 129 even, and creates the agreement with the 129 fib level. This will be resistance. Second pattern is the upside butterfly. You take a look, market already has completed 127, shows retracement down. If it will continue to move up, this 1618 extension will stand precisely at the same 129 area. Finally, another two important patterns that we have is the two side-by-side bullish grabbers, and these bullish grabbers suggest the taking out of this top. If this indeed will happen, market will move above it. It will tell us that, guys, this is probably just market will have no choice but just to continue move to the 1618, because following the logic of the butterflies, 127 has completed, market should either reverse, or if it still tends to the next target and it will take, if it will move above the 127 already, its next destination will be 1618. It's no questions. That's why a combination of the grabbers that suggest taking out of this stop and simultaneously existence of this target slightly higher than this stop creates, as you can see, very attractive situation that leads us to conclusion that market has not bad chances to reach 129 area, and that is approximately 350 pips potential to the upside, or even 400 pips will be. So that's what we have on the daily chart. Invalidation point of this setup stands below the lows of the grabbers. So if grabbers will be erased, this will be not good sign, and we will lose the driving pattern that we based our analysis on. That's why that level is approximately lows at 2550 area. This will be invalidation point for this setup. So on the intraday charts, on the forward time frame chart, you could see the final point of this setup could take shape of the butterfly as well. So this in fact the butterfly of that action. So left wing already in place, as you can see. That's right now we're watching for a completion and appearing of the right wing. 1618 extension will stand at 12920 approximately. So probably this market also will complete this target. This could be a great final point, and after that maybe some retracement will start. So you can see this butterfly also has the same target. As been said, currently guys, if you would like to use this setup for trading in today and tomorrow sessions, we should watch for appearing of the right shoulder or right wing of this pattern. And for that purpose, we need to take a look at the hourly chart. This market right now stands downward retracement. Usually, when the butterfly forms the right wing, it shows relatively deep retracement. So it's usually 50% or 618 even. So that's why here we probably should wait for retracement to 126.20, 126.10 area. As you can see, testing of the weekly pivot point again. It's previous low, previous top stands here. So will be also the additional support. So somewhere probably the 50% 618 supports will be area where you could watch for possible taking position with this scenario that we have just discussed. Besides, guys, as lower you will take the position, it will be better because you will take the position closer to invalidation point. That's why it's closer, as lower retracement will be, it's less potential risk you will take. That's why it's also another reason why it's better to wait for this retracement down. So as you can see, general setup is not really bad. We have as daily patterns that supports possible action as grabbers on intraday charts, also butterflies forming. Besides, this really could lead to significant retracement as the big period of time of the anticipation of rate hiking that has started since the spring of 2016, when the Fed has raised rate for the first time, is over, and this really significant period of time. That's why it will be not surprised if traders indeed will turn to some profit taking. And guys, also don't forget it's right now it's December, it's the end of the financial year, and some traders maybe even will make the decision after the rate hiking or before rate hiking, taking the profit and take the and go to the holidays, on the Christmas holidays. So it's also could happen. That's why currently, guys, it's really could happen that volatility of that will be a result of the Fed meeting will be a bit greater than usual, just due to these reasons. So let's see how it will turn, this scenario with the Great British Pound, and what we will get in the result.